In this section, we will look into Spline Effector. So before we get into the effector, we take a look at things that we need to get ready. So first, we need to have our cloner objects, and the cloner object mode need to be linear, and we have a spline. Now select the cloner object and go to Effector, and just get into the Spline Effector, click on the Spline Effector. And let's check whether the Spline Effector is it affecting the cloner. Now click onto the Spline Effector, and at the Spline Effector here, you will be able to see that there is spline. Drag and drop the spline onto the Spline Effector, and you will be able to see that our clone object is aligned on the spline. And now you can take a look at here, we have offset, and we can change our starting and change our end position. And in the Spline Effector here, you will be able to see that there's a rail. So let's take a look what you can do over here. Now click another spline, and we can increase the size of the spline. And we can use this spline as the rail. So let's move it to the front here, and we go back to the Spline Effector, move rectangle to rail. And if you take a look at this right now, all the cones are pointing to the rail here. So let's move this, and you see that the points are following it. You can play around with this. So this is Spline Effector.